Do you want peace in your home, real warmth? Every day and not just on good days. This rune formula will ensure harmony in your family. In the end of the video I will show you how to use it. The runes are Ansus, Gebo, Otala. Ansus is the rune of the mental sphere, rune of thought, rune of speech, rune of clarity and understanding. It represents that people are able to communicate and understand each other, that there is no miscommunication. The rune of Gebo is the rune of harmony, rune of relationships, a rune of overall gentle and joyful communication between people that allows them to live together and work together in a positive and constructive manner. The rune Otala is the rune of the ancestral and family energies, is the main rune of the family. It represents a healthy, big and harmonious family that all works together, that all helps each other, and they are strong and protected by each other. Together, these three runes will ensure harmony, protection and health of your family. An appropriate incantation for this rune formula could sound like this. By the power of these runes, my family will be healthy, strong and in harmony. So be it. Download my free runes PDF file with rune meanings, rune formulas and rune spreads. The link is in the description or on my profile page. Now, how do you activate the rune formula? Draw the runes on a piece of paper, then take a candle in a candle holder, put it on top of your paper, say your incantation, and then light the candle. Let the candle burn down completely. After that, the amulet is activated and ready. For more detailed instructions, get my Rune Magic Quick Start course. It's a short, value-packed video course that will answer all your questions and enable you to start doing rune magic today.